Hey there, quick review on these FORTEM ratchet straps. With this kit, you get 4 straps as well as 4 of the soft loops, tie down straps, great for handlebars, stuff like that. Something that you don't want to potentially risk damaging using the S hook. Immediately, first thing I really like about this is it comes with a case with a clear cover on the front so you can easily see what you've got inside, and then you can keep all the straps together without everything being all tangled up all over the place. I really like that about this kit. With these, each one of these is says it'll go up to 15 feet. They are quite long. I would say you might not get quite 15 feet of length out of it, but it'll be close to that. It is handy if you want a set of straps that's nice and long. These would be a great option. The S hooks have a nice rubber coating on them, non-marring. All the stitching on the strapping looks really good. These are rated at a 500-pound working strength and 1,500-pound break strength. So pretty normal standard for this size of strap. I like the 1-inch width. It's easy to handle, easy to pack up. The ratchet mechanism works well, as you can see here. Functions nicely. Now my only complaint with these, and this is going to be pretty common with a lot of ratchet straps this size, is that whenever you do want to go and release them, we'll go ahead here, open it all the way up, and I'm going to hook it down here on my workbench just to show you. It's a little bit hard. Well, that wasn't what I wanted to do. It's a little bit hard to pull it to get it to actually unwind and release. Not a deal breaker, but that's just something to be aware of. Again, strap it up, open it up for the release, and takes a decent tug to get it to release all the way. The S loops are really nice and just makes for a nice overall kit. If you're going to be hauling a lawnmower, motorcycles, ATVs, etc., these are a must-have for securing loads like that. So all around, nice kit, nice packaging it comes in to keep everything together, and it's got a great price point on it, so I'd recommend these.